This is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-350 in a platinum trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming in a dually configuration as well with the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. Does have power deployable running boards down below and vent shades on the windows. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, and this sort of dark brown leather can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle with a 12-volt, 110-volt power outlet and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Again, you also have massaging front seats, which is nice for those road trips, long road trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 142,570 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then your truck info with your boost gauge or turbo gauge, transmission temperature, diesel exhaust fluid status, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and transmission temperature. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. You also have a premium Sony sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake controller, and on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving down, you have this compartment here with two USBs and some room for your stuff. And then your center console area here with your two cup holders can be turned into 4, as well as your lockable center compartment / armrest with which is very spacious inside, but also has a safe, so that's pretty cool. You can keep your valuables secured even past another lock, because this is already locking, and then you have another safe in there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.